Hello and welcome. I'm Chaturvedi, Sanjay Chaturvedi. Today is very important subject which we are going to discuss. That whether can the completion date in RERA, if extended by the developer or by RERA as a compliance under section 6, whether it is imposed or whether it is supersedes the possession date in the agreement. For example, I had an agreement with the developer which is saying that my possession date would be December 2018 with a grace period of a year, maybe December 2019. Now, in the meanwhile, the developer got the extension in Mar RERA or in UP RERA or in Gujarat RERA or in any other RERA, the extension of the completion date, the developer is eligible under section 6 and he gets the extension in the completion date in the RERA record. Now the question is whether that completion date which is extended by the RERA, it supersedes or having any effect on the agreement for sale or no. The answer was given by the Honorable Bombay High Court in a writ petition 2737 of 2017, which said that very specifically in para 256, I'll just read that para, then we will discuss what exactly is what the Honorable Bombay High Court had said on this particular issue. Section 4 subsection 2(1)(c) enables the promoter to revise the date of completion of project and hand over possession. The provision of RERA, however, do not rewrite the clause of completion or handing over possession in agreement for sale. Section 4 subsection 2(1)(c) enables the promoter to give fresh timeline independent of the time period stipulated in the agreement for sale entered into between him and the allottee, so that he is not visited with penal consequences laid down under RERA. In other words, by giving opportunity to the promoter to prescribe fresh timeline under section 4 subsection 2(1)(c), he is not absolved of the liability under the agreement for sale. That means the possession date which is there in the agreement for sale do not have any repercussions whatsoever if the project completion date is enhanced in RERA. So as far as I am the buyer and I am an allottee of a project and I am having a completion date in the agreement for sale, that means the project completion date in RERA will not supersede or will not have any effect whatsoever on my legitimate rights under section 18 to claim for a delay interest or maybe coming out of the project with interest and with all the taxes and all other income expenses which I have made. So the basic question is that when there is an extension of the completion date, it is a compliance under section 4 for any developer or promoter for the RERA compliance purposes. It got nothing to do with the agreement for sale possession date. I believe that we are going to talk a lot on this space about such landmark judgments of the RERA. Be with me, subscribe this channel, and if at all you have any questions, you can write in the chat box down below, or you can always write to me at editor@saptakala.com. Thank you very much. Goodbye.